Welcome, welcome. Come on in, everybody. Hello. Thanks for coming to check out my channel. This is Caldera Creative Creations, and I make wreaths for holidays and some decor. Okay, let's get started. We are making a beauty today. We are working with a simple tie-to-shoe bow with some shimmy shimmy. We also got this beautiful shimmy shimmy, which I got at Hobby Joann's. And we are working with some of these. Some pom-poms and some sways, which I got at Joann's. And we got these recycled ones, so beautiful. And we are working with some berries. Okay, we are working with some wires. Wires. Ay, where's my wires? Oh, anyway, we're working with some wires. Let me get in my little box. Okay. How is everybody doing in Chubby Land? I am doing just great. Just to being here with you guys just makes my day. Okay, so I got my wiring. Let's cut this. And, now I think I need a, what do you call it? Wire cutter. Okay, real simple like. Let's start with the, what do you call these? They call them like feathers. Featheries. But anyways, we are just gonna get these going around here, like so. Put those in there. Look how beautiful. Then we're gonna I am waiting on appointment. Why? For my teeth. Yes, that's why I kind of disappeared, but shortly in a while. I got an appointment today for my dentist, and like in about maybe 2 more weeks, then I will be adjusting my videos, you know. I probably could make them work better with them, you know, cosmetic. And then let's get some boogaloos, boom booms. What do you call these? Pom-poms? What do you call them? Okay, and we're just going on around. Just look how beautiful that is. Let's stick this one in here. I think, yeah. I've just been wanting to work with these, and I just haven't, but I found what I could put them with. This week will be the last one for falls, and we are going to, I'm going to try to get in, I think like 2 more wreaths I have for the finale. And then we are going to beautiful Christmas. I didn't even go shopping yet, but I will get there. Excuse me, folks. I just don't want to cut off the greenery on there. You can always recycle your beauties. The ones that you could use throughout the year, like these ones. I will be using these ones in Christmas. Yes, I will. Sometimes it gets a little spendy there, you know. Unless you grab them on sales. But anyway, how's this looking, everybody? Yes, indeed, Christmas is coming. Okay, I am just going to use my wiring because I don't want to cut the greenery off of my lovely. So, my alarm. I'm already awake. Anyways, let's just get this on here, and we will tie it together with our wiring. There we go. Now let's get our lovely, simple ribbon. I put wire in there. Just going to take that and put it on there. And I think we got this, everybody. Yes, indeed. How lovely is that? Oh, my, Okay, where are we going to put our, I think we should put our berries down here. Should I put them in here, mix them with here? Let me see. I should just put them down in here, huh? Okay, well, here's another lovely. Let me get the little stand. Oh, you know what? I'm just going to pin her up right here. Hang on, everybody. And here we go. Woo! Oh, how gorgeous that came out. Once again, everybody, I appreciate you coming to my channel. And if you got any inspiration or ideas, subscribe to my channel. And thanks once again. Look how lovely it came out. Till next time, have a fun festival. Happy holidays. Thank you.